Hello students, welcome to our English class. In our today's English class, we are going to complete the question answer section of our chapter number 11. And the name of this chapter is A Tiger in the House. You all remember about the tiger named as Timothy, okay, and the relationship between a human and this ferocious animal tiger, okay. So on the basis of this chapter, we all are going to complete the question answer section of this chapter. So come with me and let's complete the question answers. So students, first of all, what we are going to do, choose the correct option to complete the sentences given below. Okay. So the first one, grandfather found a dash in the forest. So grandfather found a tiger cub in the forest. Second, out of 15 elephant, dash were with Hoda on the shikaris. So the answer will be 4. Okay. As Timothy grew up, the family decided to leave him at the zoo. Fourth, apart from Timothy, there was also a puppy and a monkey at home. Now B, answer the following questions on the basis of your reading of the chapter. So, why was grandfather persuaded to join the hunting party? So, the answer 1 is C. Your answer number 1 will be grandfather was no shikari, but as he knew the forest of the Shivalik hills better than most of the people, he was persuaded to accompany the party. Okay, this is your answer number 1. Now the next question, let's see. Describe the arrangement at the hunting expedition. Okay, this is your answer. This is your answer number 2. The camp itself was sumptuous. 7 large tents, one for each shikari. Okay, a dining tent had a number of servants' tent. Okay. Then, okay, grandfather admitted afterward it was not often that one saw hot water plates, finger glasses, and 7 or 8 courses in the tent in the jungle. Okay. There were also some 15 elephants, 4 for them with howdah for the shikaris and the others especially trained for taking part in the beach. This is your answer number 2. Okay. Now the next question. What did the sportsman find in the jungle? Okay. So sportsman को क्या क्या चीजें मिली थी जंगल में देखिए. Your answer number 3 is the sportsman never saw a tiger nor did they shoot anything else, though they saw a number of deer, peacock and wild boar. This is your answer number 3. Now the next question. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game. Who was he and what had he got? Okay, so he was grandfather. Okay, he was grandfather who had a distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game. Okay, and what he get, इसका आंसर क्या होगा स्टूडेंट? तो इसका आंसर ये है, he got a tiger cub. Okay, he got a tiger cub. Now, how was Timothy फेड? तो तिमोथी को कैसे फेड किया जाता था स्टूडेंट्स? तो देखिए इसका आंसर ये है, so your answer number 4 will be Timothy. Okay, first of all, Timothy was given. Okay, so first of all, Timothy was given milk in a feeding bottle by the cook Mahmood. Okay, after then he was fed. After then, he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver to be followed later by more tempting diets of pigeon and rabbits. This is your answer number 4. 4 or 5? Let's see. Oh, sorry. This is your answer number 5. Then, who gave company to Timothy in the house? Timothy के अलावा उस घर में और कौन-कौन थे स्टूडेंट्स? तो देखिए इसका आंसर ये है. This is your answer number 6. This is your answer number 6. Timothy was provided with 2 companions, Toto the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail, then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. This is your answer number 6. Now the next question. How was Timothy's relationship with the narrator? Okay, so Timothy का relationship narrator के साथ कैसा था? तो देखिए स्टूडेंट, इसका आंसर ये है, this is your question number answer number 7. Timothy has a very good and strong relationship with narrator. Okay, he become one of the tiger's favorite. Okay, with a crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to the author. Sorry, to the narrator, suddenly making a dash on narrator's feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight and pretending to bite narrator's ankle. Okay, so this is your answer number 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, व्हाट चेंज कम ओवर टिमोथी एज ही ग्रू अप. ठीक है, तो आंसर नंबर 8 ये है स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए. When Timothy was grown, when Timothy was grown of a full, when Timothy was a full grown tiger. Okay, when Timothy was a full grown tiger. See, this is your answer number 8. Okay, this is your answer number 8. When Timothy was about 6 months old, a change come over him. He grew steadily less friendly. When out for a walk with narrator, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet Pekingese. Okay, sometime at night, they means narrator and their grandfather would hear friend-sized crackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. Okay, so this is our answer number 8. Now next question, let's see. Question number 9, why was the tiger sent to the zoo? So answer number 9 आपका ये है. आंसर नंबर 9 का मतलब ये है, when Timothy. Okay, so आप ऐसे लिखोगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, when Timothy began to stalk Mahmoud about the house with water looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided it was a time to transfer him to a zoo. This is your answer number 9. Okay, now next question, what did grandfather do with Timothy once he reached the zoo? Okay, so this is your answer number 10. This is your answer number 10. Grandfather took Timothy to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a guest and well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. This is your answer number 10. Now next question number 11. Why was the keeper of the tiger surprised? Okay, the keeper of the tiger was surprised because grandfather was parting the head of that ferocious tiger who was not Timothy. Okay, but the one tiger who was captured 1 month earlier. Okay. 12th, why did grandfather give the old keeper a scornful look? Grandfather gave the old keeper a scornful look because he was not able to digest this thing that Timothy was no longer existed between them. He was already dead. Okay. Now see, explain with reference to the context. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. One of these days, declared grandmother in a prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmud's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. So student, इस line का मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि after passing each and every day, Timothy was converting into a more ferocious. Okay, now he wants to eat the other animals and as well as the human beings. Okay, now the second one, grandfather shoot the leopard away and the tiger returned to lick his hand. Okay, so grandfather shoot the leopard away because grandfather wanted to protect Timothy from that leopard. Okay, I will go and see the superintendent about it. This line was spoken by grandfather because grandfather was really very concerned about the safety of Timothy. I know, said grandfather testily. I realize he is no longer mine. Okay, so grandfather said, yes, I know that he is not my little boy Timothy, but now he become a full-grown tiger. Fifth, grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. Okay, grandfather was literally very frightened when he get to know that the head of the tiger, which he was parting all this time, he was not his Timothy, but the another ferocious and dangerous tiger. Okay, now appreciating the text. How did you find the ending? Why do you think the tiger who never let anybody touch it did not attack grandfather? See, ending was somehow little bit emotional. Okay, and the tiger who never let anybody touch it, he didn't attack grandfather because he can sense that the feeling of concern, the feeling of care towards itself. Okay, suggest any other title for the story, prove its relevance. So the other title will be The Lost Tiger Timothy. Okay, क्यों लॉस्ट टाइगर तिमोथी? क्योंकि एंड में ग्रैंडपा को पता ही नहीं था कि ये उनका तिमोथी नहीं है. ठीक है, कैन यू थिंक ऑफ अ सोशल मैसेज दैट द स्टोरी सीम्स टू गिव? यस, from this chapter we are going to get a very strong social message that human beings and wildlife creatures, they should apart. Okay, because there is a very strong there's a possibility that very strong relationship can be found, can be bonded between a human being and the ferocious creatures or wildlife creatures. But you know what, this is not the place, means our home is not that place where wild creatures should reside. Wild creatures should reside in their wildlife. Okay, now word power, let's see. Circle the odd one out in the given sets of word. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपको odd one out करना है. तो क्या है इसमें? देखिए, go along, accompany, escort, wait. Wait. Then sumptuous, tasty, yummy, costly. It will be your costly. Okay, then artistic, cunning, able, crafty, your artistic. Okay, similarly बाकी आप करोगे. ठीक है, complete the analog is chair. हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? वुड से मिलता है. बटर हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? बटर हम लोगों को मिल्क से मिलता है. ठीक है, शिप का डॉक होगा, एरोप्लेन का हैंगर है. ठीक है, दो आप खुद से करेंगे. ग्रामर पावर देखिए यहाँ क्या करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जो पहली लाइन है आपकी, चेंज दिस डायलॉग इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. तो देखिए पहला आपसे क्या बोल रहा है? मदर सेड आई एम कुकिंग फूड. ओके, तो कैसे आप इस डायरेक्ट को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करोगे? तो देखिए ऐसे, मदर सेड दैट I was cooking food. Okay. Second, he said I have some urgent work to do. In the form of indirect speech, he said that I had some urgent work to do. Okay. Now the third, grandmother said Timothy has grown up. Grandmother said that Timothy had grown up. Okay. So in this way, my dear student, you are going to convert all this direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, now speaking and listening. With reference to the story, share your views about the fact that love can tame even a wild beast. Talk about a time when you have experienced the same. Okay, so students, आप लोगों को अपने views को share करना है कि love से, प्यार से आप क्या कर सकते हो. वाइल्ड एनिमल को भी, वाइल्ड बीस्ट को भी आप एक पेट बना सकते हो. ठीक है, सो आपको भी कुछ अगर ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ कभी हुआ है, यू आर गोइंग टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस इन योर क्लास. ओके, नाउ बी, your teacher will read a small passage about an animal. Listen and complete the information correctly. So students, ये जो 6 lines लिखी हुई है ना, ये elephants के बारे में लिखी हुई है. ठीक है, तो एलिफेंट्स के बारे में कुछ आपको क्या करना है, कुछ मैं बताऊंगी, कुछ आप लिखेंगे. ठीक है, देखिए, द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द डैश इज एसेंशियल फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द एंटायर स्पीशीज इन एशिया. द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द एशियन एलिफेंट is essential for the survival of entire species in Asia. That Asian animals are smaller than their African counterparts. Okay, Asian elephants have a hump on their back. Okay, rest of the 3 you are going to complete. Now write, observe the news items given below. Write an article expanding the thought data depicted. Use the details shown as well as your own ideas. Word limit 120 to 150 words. So students, आप लोगों को एक न्यूज आइटम लिखना है. वर्ड लिमिट है 120 से 150 वर्ड्स के बीच में. ठीक है, ये टाइगर्स के ऊपर है. ठीक है, तो सेव द टाइगर सेव द फ्यूचर, आप इस तरीके का कोई टाइटल दे सकते हो। इसमें आपको क्या करना है, इस पूरे के पूरे डेटा पे बेस्ड आपको न्यूज आर्टिकल लिखना है। जैसे कि आप ये बता सकते हो कि जो 55% है टाइगर्स का, वो डेथ होती है उनकी नेचुरल, ठीक है, और 2012 से लेकर 2017 के बीच में 560 टाइगर्स एक्सपायर किए हैं हमारी कंट्री इंडिया में, ठीक है, और 408 केसेस ऐसे हैं जिन्हें हमने क्लोज कर दिया, पर अभी तक ये पता नहीं है कि 408 टाइगर्स की डेथ कैसे हुई थी। उनके डेथ के रीजन को बिना पता किए वो केस को क्लोज कर दिया गया। इसके अलावा स्टूडेंट्स आप ये भी कर सकते हो, देखिए यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा कि टाइगर नंबर्स इन पास्ट सेंसस, तो 2006, 2010, 2014 में जब टाइगर की पॉपुलेशन के ऊपर सेंसस किया गया था, तो 2006 में 1411 टाइगर थे हमारी कंट्री में, फिर 2010 में 1706 थे, और फिर 2014 में 2226 टाइगर्स थे, ठीक है। तो ये डाटा आपको क्या शो करते हैं कि कंटिन्यूअसली इनकी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है, ठीक है। साथ ही साथ आप हाईलाइट में क्या लिख सकते, 14,000 कैमरास को ट्रैप किए गए हैं 2014 में, लगाए गए हैं इनको देखने के लिए, ठीक है। इसके अलावा 18 स्टेट्स में ये सर्वे किए गए हैं, ठीक है। और अगर आप बात करोगे कौन कौन से एप्स का यूज किया गया है टाइगर्स को ट्रैक करने के लिए, MS ट्रिप्स का, ठीक है, तो MS ट्रिप्स नाम का एक ऐप है जिससे क्या होता है टाइगर्स को ट्रैक किया जाता है, ठीक है। इसके अलावा आप इनके ऑक्यूपेंसी एरिया के बारे में लिख सकते हैं। फिर यहाँ पे ये भी है कि ये मरे कैसे, नेचुरल डेथ 55% है, पोचिंग की वजह से 22% टाइगर्स की डेथ हुई है, सीजर्स की वजह से 16% हुआ है, रोड या ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट में 4% टाइगर मरे हैं, एलिमिनेटेड 2%, मिससेलेनियस जिनके बारे में हमें पता ही नहीं है वो है 1%, ठीक है। तो ये सब के बेसिस पे आपको एक न्यूज आइटम क्रिएट करना है, ठीक है। नाउ लाइफ स्किल, animal hunting is illegal and banned. Still, some people hunt them mercilessly to earn money. If you get a chance to say something to such people, what would you say? See, animal hunting is clearly prohibited in entire world. Still, people hunt them for their expensive body parts. अगर आपको कभी चांस मिलता है ऐसे लोगों को कुछ कहने का, जो पोचर्स हैं, जो हंटर्स हैं, आप उन्हें क्या कहना चाहोगे, ठीक है। नाउ सब्जेक्ट इंटेरोगेशन मैथमेटिक्स, ये आप लोग को करना है, ओके। So students, in this way we have completed our chapter number 11. Okay. Now students, I'm taking leave and going to meet with you all in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, you all have to take very good care of yourself. Bye.